Here's one for the unbelievers. This is a Thouzer Giant, and I want you to see how easy it is. Check it out. Push the power button. All right, he's warming up his brain. Check it out. Safety bumper, e-stop. You can add other safety stuff like stack lights if you want. It's made out of extruded aluminum, so you can build up shelves or cabinets. Nice big industrial casters. Got some shocks up there, and the big fat knobby tires on the drive side, which will make it roll over just about anything in your plant. Ooh, hello. Towing hitch, yes sir. 1,300 pounds, 600 on top. You can pull about 2,000 pounds. Let's walk around back to the beginning again. He should be done. Ooh, there we go. Red button to make it follow me. There we go. I'm turning. I'm walking. It's following me. Just like it's supposed to. No pendant in my pocket. Nothing crazy. No programming. Just turn it on, hit the button, and go. When you're done, that's it, guys.